Good morning, ma'am. Bali service.
Good morning, ma'am. May I clean your room?
Good morning, Julie. Please come in.
Thank you, ma'am. How was your sleep last night, ma'am?
Good. Maybe just tired because long shift.
Do you have your breakfast for today, ma'am?
Not yet.
Would you like me to order for your breakfast, ma'am?
Siya, kulang pa pag mag-inom ko.
you. I
Wala
have
kami.
breakfast with my friends.
Please do coffee with cream.
Hi, ma'am, for a moment. Here's your coffee, ma'am.
Thank you, Salazar.
Would you like me to prepare your clothes, ma'am, for your meeting for today before I clean your room?
Yes, please. Iron my printed red dresses, the pink long sleeve for my conference meeting with gray pencil skirt, and include the shine my red black shoes.
I am done for your shoes and clothes, ma'am. Would you like me to clean your room now? Please. What do you want me to clean first? Your restroom or your bedroom?
Clean my bed first, and I will take a bath now. Then after you can follow the restroom.
Ma'am, I'm done cleaning your room. Is there anything that I can assist you?
Come back after an hour. You can come back from my laundry, put in my basket.
Okay, ma'am. I will leave you now.
Thank you, Salvi. It's your so very big help for me.
It is my pleasure, ma'am.